Happy Halloween, everyone. We have a few clouds umbrella-ing much of the valley as we head into the evening. But one thing is standard. It's chilly out there, and the wind, as promised last night, is on the increase. 33 degrees out at Hector. Right now, it feels like 24, and our wind speeds are 13 miles per hour from the south-southeast. And that's going to be a trend that continues into the evening. Here is a look at temperatures. It's 28 in Langdon, 32 Valley City, and 34 the warm spot in Jamestown. Slide out to the east and we have mid-20s there, so trick-or-treaters will really need to bundle up. Factor in those winds, and we have wind chills that are already in the teens. If you're in Thief River, Baudette, those areas, as well as Langdon, already in the teens for feels-like temperatures, that is. Hallock, it feels like 21 degrees on exposed skin. Wind speeds are gustiest out to the west, where we have gusts approaching 20 miles per hour. Most of our wind directions are from the south. Trees kind of sheltering some of the areas across Minnesota from strong winds, but the winds will be persistent and increasing tonight. Radar shows a couple of flurries dashing toward Lakes Country. Not all of this is actually even reaching the ground. Much of it virga, or what we call fall streaks. This evening it gets a little spooky. We got a lot of folks out there that will want to keep moving as you're out there asking for candy and the like. Clouds will be on the increase, but notice the future radar here showing pretty quiet conditions. The wind increases the later that you stay out as well. Now, as we go through the overnight hours, I've paused this at midnight, we're going to see the development of some snow. So hopefully you're all done with your trick-or-treating and you get out of here. And then as we go through the overnight, look out, here comes flakes of snow. Highway 200 and points north will have the best chance at seeing the flakes flying. Temperatures will fall only a little bit during the overnight hours. Look at the winds gusting over 20 miles per hour at the bus stop in the morning. Watch the longevity of the snow throughout our early half of the day. It continues in northwest Minnesota and northeast North Dakota, as temperatures will be fairly steady to slowly rising, and even into the afternoon we'll see snow potential for our northern counties. Temperatures peak only in the 30s for most locations, and it will accumulate for many of you by the drive time home. You could have some slippery roads in northwest portions of Minnesota and northeast North Dakota. Draw a line along Highway 200, points north and east of there. 1 to 3 inches of snow. Isolated spots could pick up 4 inches of shovel heaven. Here's a look at your planner. For Fargo, can't rule out flakes in the morning. Does look like we'll have breezy conditions and temperatures in the 30s as we go through the day, peaking only in the upper 30s, but our snow chances in the southern counties diminish by midday. Take a look at your hometown forecast. It looks coolest to the north and east, low 30s there. We'll see some 40s in our southwestern communities. Here, the Bucks are going wild in Erskine. That's off Lake Sarah. Thanks, Tyler, for uploading a dandy. It does look like a wild Wednesday of wintry weather is going to ensue. Thursday, quieter, but steady temperatures. Then the weekend. Wow, it looks unsettled to say the least. Accumulating snow, a good likelihood across the region, with cool temperatures continuing as we turn our clocks back.
We'll be ready for it by then.
I will.
Yeah, we'll have to be. Thanks, Ash. Yep.